Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you important moments on how stock and stock movement reports work and how they may help you to analyze your inventory stock. Let's start with the stock report. It shows your actual stock quantity for each product you can check. The current stock level that is physically in stock, it is an on-hand column. The quantity that is reserved for the sales orders or as raw materials for the production orders in the committed column. The amount that is expected for items that are in purchase orders or finished goods in production orders, they are under in transit column. Inventory available for sale, available column. Pay attention. Items are shown as committed in stock report only if they are marked as allocated to committed stock in the sales orders or for finished goods in production order. Items are shown as in transit in the stock report only if they are marked as allocated to awaiting stock in the sales order or for raw materials in the production order. Also, you can see such columns as reorder point, units of measurements, days in stock, unit cost, cost amount, sales price, and amount sold. In the bottom line, you can see the total for each column. If you click the item line, you will see all transactions that form unit cost for the product, form quantity for committed and in transit columns. This was all about the byproducts tab, which shows the total stock for all your locations. You can also see stock by warehouses or bins, in case you use more than one warehouse or use bin storage. To see key stock numbers only for some items, you can use filters. In the filter area, you can see the stock for a particular moment in the past. Filter by different parameters. For example, items that are below reorder point, or choose a specific group of products and see the stock report only for them. You can hide fields available in the filter for that. Press the gear icon close to the Find button and choose what to see. For example, in my case, I have hidden some columns. Also, you can save frequently used filters. For example, I want to save as a bookmark filter results like items that are in transit only. For that, I choose yes in the filter with quantity in transit only, press Find button. After results are filtered, press bookmark icon and save as in transit items bookmark. After that, every time you come back to the report, you can choose required bookmark instead of setting filter parameters again. Besides this, you can customize the view of the columns in the report. For that, use that gear icon and choose columns you would like to see. Apart from that, you can also print or download stock report. For that, go to Print tab and choose Stock Form. In the Creation pop-up, choose what to do. Open in the tab, download in Excel or PDF format. This is all about the stock report. Now let's take a quick overview of the stock movement report. Stock movement report shows the movement of goods for the chosen period. By default, it is 1 month. All main instruments like filters, printing, downloading, and view customization work similarly to the stock report. In the columns of this report, you can see opening stock, stock in, stock out, and closing stock for the line items. As in the previous report, here you can see the details for each product line. Click the item line, and in the pop-up window, you will see a list of transactions for the chosen in the filters period that form closing stock. That's all about inventory stock reports. Some useful links you can find in the description below. Put your likes and subscribe to our channel to get notifications about new videos.